Master the could in mixed conditionals. English language learning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the world of modal verbs, focusing on mixed conditionals with could. This topic might seem a bit challenging, but don't worry. We're going to unravel this together, step by step. Before we jump into mixed conditionals, let's first quickly recap. The modal verb, could, typically shows possibility or ability. In conditional sentences, it's often used in the result clause to express a potential outcome. Here's an example of could in a second conditional sentence. If I had enough money, I could buy a new car. This means that buying a new car is a possible result if the condition of having enough money is met. Now, what are mixed conditionals? Mixed conditionals combine the if clause from one type of conditional and the result clause from another type. They allow us to talk about situations that span different time frames or levels of reality. When we use could in mixed conditionals, it often expresses a hypothetical outcome in the present or future that's the result of a past condition that didn't happen. Consider this example. If I had studied more, I could be in a university right now. Here, had studied is a third conditional element referring to an unreal past condition. Could be in a university right now is a second conditional element referring to a hypothetical present outcome. This is a mixed conditional, showing a past action, or inaction, affecting the current situation. To really master could in mixed conditionals, it's important to practice. Try creating your own mixed conditional sentences with could. They can be about anything, imaginary situations, your dreams, or events from your life. For example, if I had learned to cook when I was younger, I could make my own meals now. Well, that wraps up our session on mixed conditionals with could. Remember, understanding and using these can add depth to your English, enabling you to express complex ideas. Practice making your own sentences and, with time, using could in mixed conditionals will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining, and keep up the good work in your English language learning journey.